Shop the Divine Collection from ENL Beauty. This is our limited collection. Order it right now from our website www.enlbeautyng.com. Hi there, Linda here. Welcome back to my channel. Oh, I said I'm always going to be pronouncing my son in my videos. Hi guys, Linda Esemidolu here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to our community. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the best hair serums for your hair extensions, and you can even use these hair serums for your natural hair. If you want to know what these hair serums are, then please keep on watching this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, sis, what are you waiting for? Kindly click on the subscribe button right below. I believe it's somewhere here or here. Please click on that subscribe button and also turn on the post notification bell. When you do that, you don't miss any of my uploads. Whenever a new video comes up, you are notified by YouTube. Without saying much, let's get right into this video. One of my all-time favorite hair serum has to be argan oil. And take note, there are different types of argan oil serum available in the market. There's one I always loved using, but the reason why I stopped using that particular one, I'm going to put a picture of it on the screen, is because it's in a bottle. Whenever it falls down, it's going to break, and I've had like 2 bottles of it break. If you've watched any of my hairstyling videos, you would have seen me use that other argan oil serum. It's I believe it's macadamian argan oil. It's like in a brownish bottle. I really love the argan oil serum. Ever since I had the encounter with that argan oil breaking, I had to switch to this Moroccan argan growth oil. You see this girl right here? You can use this one on your natural hair. You can use this on your hair extension. The reason why I love argan oil so much is because it's natural. It's not mixed with chemicals. This is completely from nature. So this would only add moisture and the needed nutrients, needed oil that your hair extension needs. Because the argan oil growth serum is enriched with vitamin E and proteins to provide nourishment to your over-processed hair. So let's say your hair extension has been processed. Let's say you have a blonde hair, you have a burgundy hair, you have a blue hair, you have a purple hair. I notice that your hair tends to get dried out really quickly. It's because your hair needs moisture. It's because your hair needs oil. It needs protein. It needs food, basically. Because when you process your hair, you're literally taking out the nutrients from the hair. So what your argan oil does for your hair is it puts moisture back into the hair to prevent the hair from dying off. So you don't want to be in a situation whereby you bought this very expensive hair. It was processed for you to give you a particular color and look, but you forget to use your argan oil on it, or you forget to use any other serum. So please, the first serum I recommend is the argan oil serum, and it's quite affordable. Like, I bought this in my local market for, I believe it was 4,000 naira. I don't know if the price is going to increase with all of the inflation thing going on right now, but if you were to find this serum in the US or in Canada, I believe it should be much more affordable. You could probably get this around $5, maybe at most. Let's say $5. You should probably get this for around $10. So this is very affordable and it's very good. Next serum I'm going to recommend for you. The next serum I'm going to recommend for you is this one right here. It's called the macadamian nut oil. This one right here is, and the funny thing is, this serum right here, this one is very, very affordable. This serum is very affordable. I bought this for 1,500 naira. It's that cheap, and it's also very good. The beauty of this serum is that it smells very good. You know, that moment when you want your hair extension to have a very unique scent to it, this serum will do it for you, because it has a scent to it. You don't want a situation whereby you style your customer's hair and the hair smells burnt, or the hair just has a dry, uninspiring smell to it. This serum right here has a really nice smell. That's the reason why I like it. So if you're looking for something affordable that is going to add moisture, because this one right here, it's extracted from 100% natural macadamian oil. It's rich in vitamin E, fatty acids, linoleic acid. Basically, this macadamia oil is also rich in vitamin E, which is something that your hair loves. If you feel like maybe this is above your budget and you want something more affordable, then you can invest in getting this macadamia nut oil hair serum. But there are other hair serums in the market. But the thing is, because of the other options in the market, there are some serums that are not made from natural oils, like some olive oil serums, those serums that were always in the market in those days, that some people will typically tell you that this hair serum is what spoils your hair extension. The key thing when you want to choose serum is choose a serum that is most natural. Don't be using lots of chemicals in your hair. The more natural products you can get, like you can see this one right here is argan oil serum, and this other one right here is macadamia nut oil. The more natural the product is, the better for your hair extensions, because your hair extension was originally cut from somebody's head. When it was on somebody's head, it was getting nutrients from the person's body. Aside from the person's regular maintenance of washing the hair and conditioning it and all of that, it was getting nutrients from the person's body. And when it's been cut off the person's head, it needs you to now ensure that you add moisture to your hair. That's the reason why I'm recommending either of these serums for you. Either you use argan oil serum or you use the macadamia nut serum, nut oil, or if you can even get your hands on coconut oil. When I tend to do my hair laundry, I tend to use castor oil. Castor oil is thicker, is more fatty. When you apply castor oil on hair and you do steam treatment, like it really gets into the hair and makes the hair very shiny and more healthy. The key thing is ensure you invest in getting a good product that is going to help your hair last long, because it's one thing for you to buy very expensive hair extensions or affordable hair extensions, and it's another thing for you to choose the best quality products that are going to help your hair extensions thrive. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you, and I hope you share this video with your friends who always tells you stop using serum on your hair. The serum is going to spoil your hair, because in truth, it's all about the quality of the serum you use. Use oils. Okay, if I thought they say, oh, all serums are bad, if these are oils, use argan oil or macadamia oil or coconut oil or castor oil on your hair extensions. They are not serums, they are oils. They would help add moisture to your hair, because there are 3 essential elements that your hair needs, and it's water, oil, and conditioner. When you wash your hair gets water and conditioner. You need to add that oil as a 3rd element to keep your hair in the best top shape possible. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got value out of it. Please, if you did, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Share with your friends who are also going to get value out of it. And please, sis, bro, subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, remember, be bold and have courage. Live a positive life. Bye.